An aquarium filled with water can reflect light just like a mirror. I'll show you how to do this. First, you'll need an aquarium filled with water. Then, you'll need a torch, a chopstick, and some milk. Then, pour the milk into the aquarium and stir it well. Now, direct the light beam from the torch through the side of the aquarium. Rotate the torch slowly. When the beam hits the water surface at an angle larger than the critical angle, you can see that the beam is reflected back into the water.